Hi class, good day everyone. So in this video I will explain I will show you the example of the chapter 8. Okay, so we start with the example 8.1, page 132, right? So I read the question here. So the following information is obtained from the two independent samples selected from the two population. So this example is already extract the information. It directly give you the information that we needed. Okay, so N1, N2, 190, 170, and then the mean for sample number 1 is 5.47, 5.10, and then the standard deviation 1.70 and 1.65. So the first question A is asked you to find the point estimate. So point estimate is equal to x bar 1 minus x bar 2. So just minus lah, okay? So you just take it this value and then you minus it. So then you will get 0.37. Okay? Then for B, they ask you to find the construct 99% of confidence interval. So therefore, what is your alpha here? So you need to find your alpha lah, of course lah. Okay, from the 99 you derive, you find the alpha. So your alpha will be 0.01. Okay, then you need to find the Z alpha over 2. So which is equal to 0.005. Okay, then by using table, you will get negative 2.58. Okay class, so if you, for now, if you watch my video while referring to the PDF slide, so you may see in the PDF slide, the steps or the answer that we give in the textbook or the PDF is positive 2.58. Okay, if you watch my video, I write here is negative, yes, and if you refer to table, of course you will get negative 2.58, but the textbook, the PDF write positive 2.58. Okay, let me explain first. Both are accepted. Okay, both are accepted. If you answer positive also can, negative also can. But I suggest you just follow the textbook. Just follow the table. If you table it give you negative, so you just follow negative. Why I said that the answer will be equal? Kenapa saya cakap jawapan sama? Okay, if you refer, okay, I write first the formula. Mu1 minus mu2 will be equal to x bar 1 minus x bar 2. Okay, then plus minus alpha over 2 and then sx1, sx2 lah. Okay class, this plus minus actually will the reason why we can accept both answer. Okay, if you don't believe, okay, let's redo it for negative. Okay, we do it no negative. So it's 0.37. Okay, for this one you already calculated here, and then plus minus this one from the table. Okay, I take the negative, negative 2.58, and then this one is square root of s1 square over n1 plus s2 square over n2. So okay, we do it slowly. Okay, then just substitute the value that we have here is 1.7 square over 190 plus 1.65 square over 170. Okay, you calculate this one, you calculate this one, you calculate this one. Okay, we calculate it because I already done it before, so I just write my answer. So maybe it's just maybe it's plus minus lah. It will be 0.2895, 0.4505. Okay, so I suggest you to for example here they have fraction, is it? Okay, when it's come to fraction, maybe when you cut off the you need to take it around 4 decimal places. Okay, around 4 decimal places. Alright. Okay class, so then therefore what I want to highlight here, this one. Let's say we take it the positive. Okay, you just focus this one. Why I said that if we take the positive also can. Kenapa saya kata kalau kita ambil positif pun boleh? Sebab kat sini, because of here, okay, let's say this one is negative. Okay, when you multiply with plus, okay, plus here, this one plus, then times with minus, you will get minus it. Then when minus, we get plus. Okay, that one the first one, if you take it the negative. Okay, let's say we take it the positive. I like the like the textbook do it now. Okay, it just take the positive value 2.58. So this one plus times with plus, of course we will get plus, and then negative times plus we will get negative. So do you see, is this equal or not? Is it equal, right? So therefore you will still get the same answer like this actually. That's what I mean, that it doesn't important you want to write in positive or negative, but I really suggest you to just follow the table. If the table give you negative, so that's mean you just write the negative sign. Okay, so yes, we just follow negative lah. Okay, alright, so clear? Okay, so we go to the example number 2. Exercise. Okay, exercise 8.1, page 133. So the question here is, okay, I read the question. A bottling company has gathered information regarding the diameter of bottles produced by 2 machines, 1 and 2. A sample of 70 bottles. Okay, so the first one, N1 is equal to 70. And then average is 8.56, and then the standard deviation here is 0.5619. Okay, and then the second one is 60. The average here is 8.78, and then S2 standard deviation is 0.5925. So the question asks you to find point estimate. Okay, what is the point estimate, and also the margin of error. Okay, so point estimate, you do it the same thing like the previous example, which is x1 bar minus x2 bar. So this one, so 8.56 minus 8.78, therefore you get negative 0.22. Okay. Then for B, MOE, margin of error is equal to plus minus 1.96 as x1 bar minus x2 bar. Okay, and S1 is equal to the previous one lah. Okay, S1 square over N1 plus S2 square over N2. So you just substitute the value here. Okay, the value, what is it? S1 here is 0.5619 square over 70 plus 0.5925 square over 60. Then you solve it. Okay, solve it. So you will get 0.1995. Okay, class? Okay, we do it up to 4 decimal places. Oh, sorry, this one is A. Okay, B. Construct a 97. So 97 confidence interval. So that's why your alpha is 0.03. Therefore, your alpha over 2 will be Z 0.0015. Is it? 0.015. Okay. And by using table, we will get negative 2.17. Therefore, okay, mu1 minus mu2 is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar plus minus z alpha over 2 times with, okay, I just write down this one terus okay, n1 plus s2 and 2. So s1 s bar just now, this one is negative 0.22 plus minus negative 2.17, and then this one is this one. Oh, this one. Apa beza ni? Because I'm not I just calculate directly from the calculator, so I didn't write exactly the number of it. So yes, the answer will be the final one. Okay, I just write the final one. So maybe you can try by yourself. Negative 0.4409 and 0.009. Okay, class. Alright. So nothing much. Nothing much different pun. Okay, because the difference here is only that the way we write the mu and sample mean, instead of before this just single population, is it? So just x bar minus or plus minus z alpha. So only one only. But now we have two population. So we have 2 x1 minus x2, s1, s2 and so on. So that's it. Itu je. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I will stop this video here. Okay, so this is the example of I give you the example of what we call the mean. okay, the inferences between two population for mean and it's a large sample. So in the next video, I will give you example on the mean for small sample. Okay, alright.